This is the sixth video for class 10th, and in this video we will study what types of chemical reactions. In the previous video we have discussed what is a chemical equation, what is a chemical reaction, word equation, symbol equation, and how to balance a chemical reactions. In this video, we will try to discuss what are types of chemical reactions. In our NCERT book, that combination reaction is given first one, decomposition second one, displacement third one, and fourth one double displacement, and fifth one oxidation and reduction reaction. But we will try to make it so little bit brief so that we can easily able to understand it. First, and how we will discuss each and everything. First, we will discuss what is a combination reaction. What is combination reaction? Second, we will discuss decomposition reaction. Third one, we will discuss displacement reaction. Displacement reaction. Fourth one, we will discuss double displacement. Fifth one, we will discuss oxidation and reduction reaction. Oxidation and reduction reaction. Sixth one, we will discuss precipitation reaction. And seventh one will be exothermic and endothermic reaction. I will try my best to make you understand each and everything. First of all, we just start with a combination reaction. सबसे पहले हम लोग combination reaction से start करते हैं. From this word we can easily say that what is a combination reaction? When two or more substances combine with each other and form a single substance, that kind of reaction is known as combination reaction. How will we discuss it? A reaction in which two or more substances combines with each other and form a single substance is called combination reaction. जब एक से ज्यादा सब्सटेंस एक दूसरे से कॉम्बाइंड होंगे और केवल एक ही सब्सटेंस बनेगा, उस तरह के रिएक्शन को हम लोग कॉम्बिनेशन रिएक्शंस कहेंगे. सपोज ए है और ये बी है, ये दोनों कंबाइंड होंगे. दो अलग रिएक्टेंट है, दो रिएक्टेंट है, एक ये हो गया और एक ये हो गया. both will react with each other and form only a single substance, that is AB. That kind of reaction is a combination reaction. Reactant जो आपके दो हैं, it might be two or more element, दो से अधिक, two or more elements हो सकते हैं. Two or more compound या फिर one, ये भी हो सकता है एलिमेंट एंड कंपाउंड. ये these threes will combine with each other and try to form only a single substance. That kind of reaction is known as combination reaction. Okay, we will now take and try to understand it through an example. in our NCERT book that activity 1.4, आपका activity we have to take NC activity 1.4. In 1.4 that CaO calcium oxide that is also known as quicklime, इसको हम लोग क्या कह सकते हैं, क्विकलाइम भी कहा जाता है, combining with water and form calcium hydroxide and it is called slackline. How this experiment happen, ये experiment कैसे होगा, then we have to take one beaker. In this beaker CaO and we have to add water. As we added water, जैसे हम पानी को ऐड करेंगे then it combined with each other and forms CaO calcium hydroxide and with that heat is also produced. Okay, that slackline is also produced. Here two reactants combined with each other and forming a single substance that is CaOH calcium hydroxide and with that heat is also produced. That activity is given in our NCERT book. And further it given that what it given that when calcium hydroxide जिसको चूना का घोल भी कह सकते हैं CaOH calcium hydroxide is used for polishing the wall. White polishing the wall, दीवार का चूना का पोचाड़ा करना. When calcium hydroxide is used with water, make some dilute so that slurry means घोल बनाया जाता है. And when it added on the wall, the carbon dioxide is present in our atmosphere. It combined with it and it will form CaCO3 calcium carbonate. And with this that H2O, this one is also produced. This was produced and after that when we just put these things on wall to polish the wall, then carbon dioxide which is present in our atmosphere combines with it and after 2 or 3 days we can see the wall is become shiny, white shiny. Why it's become so shiny? Because it combined with carbon dioxide and it form calcium carbonate. It is quicklime, slackline, this might be limestone. And it is also formula of a marble. Clear? Now we will take some 2 or 3 more example of that. Combination reaction. We will not discuss that NCERT book given respiration is also exothermic reaction. We will discuss these things in a particular topic that we have given, that is exothermic and endothermic. In that topic we will discuss it briefly. In starting of this chapter, magnesium ribbon was taken and combined with burn with presence of oxygen, it formed MgO. It is also example of a combination reaction. Hydrogen in a gaseous form, oxygen is also in gaseous form, combined with each other, it form H2O. In same way, carbon dioxide which is in the form of coal, combined with oxygen, burn in presence of oxygen, it form carbon dioxide. All these are the single substance formed when 2 substances are combined with each other. This kind of reaction is known as combination reaction. Okay.